Good morning, team. I felt the best way to get the information that you'll need for the Korea Exploration Day on Friday, May 2nd, was to do my best to meet eyes with you and offer an opportunity for any questions that you could see me prior to Friday. And so, just for starters, as a reminder, Friday is a half day, and we have hours 4, 5, and 6. Students will generally start their day in the gym. So all students and all staff will start our day in the gym. We'll usher students down there. Everything will be set up ready to go. This is not necessarily an assembly. It's more of a informational session that will not last very long. I would anticipate that I'll share some details and expectations that we did share in our previous half day, and that will take approximately 5 minutes. From that point on, students will be leaving with their fourth hour teacher. We'll likely do this in waves as we've done earlier in the year with the breakout sessions on the first day of school, bringing students back in your classroom. The difference being that for the most part, you will be bringing your students from your fourth hour class. If you are a staff member without a fourth hour class, you will likely be asked to support in a different way, whether that's to be in a specific session supporting a presentation, or if there's again a need somewhere else, that would be something we'll ask for you to do, likely prior to Friday, or at least to be on standby for that. In other cases, you may have a mixed class. So students will be rotating based on seventh or eighth grade. So there's a seventh grade rotation that does include many CTC students or classes that are presenting, and then there's an eighth grade rotation that is exclusively all community career specialists that would be coming in to present to students. And if you have a mixed class, let's say Mr. Tiscari will have some seventh and eighth graders, you will look for your name on the schedule. And I will also be providing these on Wednesday, a paper copy with your names highlighted on where you should be within the rotation. So Mr. Tiscari would have, let's say, his seventh grade students, and then he would also have the seventh grade students from another mixed elective class to form one group, and vice versa. So that will make sense once you're looking at the actual schedule. The first name for any mixed class teachers would be the teacher that would have that group for that time. And then we did have one group, Miss Ross's class, that has a large number of students during fourth hour with 49 students. God bless you, Miss Ross. Um, and so we're going to split that up into two groups, and that will be identified on the schedule as well. The schedule will show 11 different rotations. One of them will be a break station where it's meant to just kind of get out some energy, have a little bit of fun before moving on to the next presentation. And then each rotation will be 12 minutes in length with 3 minutes to get to the next rotation or presentation. During any passing time, if a student needs to use the restroom, that is fine. The best time to use the restroom would be during your break station, but depending on when you would be in the schedule, it might make sense to use that during that passing time as well. As far as what you can expect in general after taking your group and getting them to that first location, you're just simply enjoying the experience along with the students and supporting as needed to help students demonstrate the Rocket Way, help answer any questions that you might have. There'll be plenty of individuals that are floating about the building to support as well. You can expect to have a teacher packet, likely going to be in a folder of some kind in your mailboxes on Thursday morning. So we'll do that on Wednesday evening, and that teacher packet will include a roster of the students that you have, which in most cases, again, will be your fourth hour class. It will have a paper copy of the schedule, and I will go through and highlight your name so that it's very clear to you where you should be and when. I also have a map just in case there's a particular room that you can't remember exactly where it's at. And then also you'll have capture sheets for your students. You'll just hand those out to your students in their first rotation, and they keep those throughout the day. along with some thank you notes. And that's what they will end their day with once their last presentation is complete. So that will all be put together in a packet for you that you can kind of carry and support students with. Other than that, again, it's just a day meant to really enjoy the students, enjoy with the students this experience, and we're hoping that it's something that we can continue to do for years to come. Please consider any reflection. If there are ways that you could see as a staff member in the building that we can modify or improve this experience in the future, then we will be more than interested to have some of that feedback. Again, if you have any questions specific to me, please feel free to reach out directly or via email. I will send the information that you will need along with this video. I hope this video is useful and informative, and I look forward to an awesome day on Friday. Go Rockets!